Hello, hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Benua. If this is your first time chancing on this gorgeousness, hi, darling, you're welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing. Please don't leave without subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, darling, what's good? What's going on? What's popping? Okay, guys, as you can tell from the title, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can style your knotless braid with curls in different styles. I don't know how many styles I'm going to do now, but I'm sure by the end of the video or from the title, you guys are going to know how many styles we are going to be coming out with. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls, they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. What's up, Lubedu? Lego say Casala when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see waiting you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. That the baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. Girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy,
This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and then subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind.